Okay, previously I forgot to make a delete record video, so now I'm going to make one and show you guys. So let's quickly start the coding. So I created a delete button over here, button delete records. So you just add a view employee. So you just double click it, and then same as previously, I just do a copy paste dim connection and everything. You can just copy paste from previous code. Dim connection conf open is standard to connect from application to database. So for the delete command will be delete employee, where employee ID equal ID. This ID will be getting from the data grid view. Data grid view selected row dot item 0 dot cell 0 dot value. Item 0 is column 0 and cell 0 is first cell. This employee ID first column and first cell. So and the show record is a method can be used anywhere this form. This so I can see that this is button show. Previously the coding was like this. So I just copy paste everything and put in this method and delete away this. And delete away from this and then put it in the show record so that I can use this show record in this button delete, so that one method can be accessed by two buttons. So this is more convenience. So after we delete the record from the database, we need to update the grid view. So we have to retrieve the record again from the database. So okay, I will show you guys. So let's add employee ID 123, department ID 321, name will be Jack, age 12, gender male, contact 1345678, full time, salary 1004. So to show the record, press the show button. This show button will run to the show records and then run everything. So to delete, you just click on the row and press the delete button record. The records is now deleted. So for now we're going to, after the records, I will just add one record again. So I drag, we're going to start a change password. Change password, you can just put a from the toolbars, you can just put a menu strip, just pull and drop it, and then you can just key in blah blah and then blah blah. So for my case, I wrote the general and change password. So before we start on the change password, I'm just going to do a quick editing on my connection class, as I find that it's quite inconvenient to type connection string over and over again. So we're going to do a public chat connect db chat sub. So this will be, we'll just copy and paste. Copy and paste is the best invention in this world. So dim connection common string as this my connection string open. So you're going to put try catch here in case any error. Message box es.message. es.message will catch the exception and then show. So this is open connect db. I'm going to write dim con as connection string. Connection okay, public sub connect db con equal. So now we're going to need a class to connect. Public sub connection close. So con.close. So con.close will close this connection. This will establish a new connection. So we're going to need another one. Public sub cmd as function. I'm going to need it as function. SQL so this will return cmd. So dim cmd as new SQL client dot command con SQL con command. So this will return a command. This is function. Function is a return, so we are going to return this cmd, and SQL is a query string. Connection will be this connection. After we connect, and then we can access to this. So I'm going to show you how we're going to use this. So before that, I need to try catch. The same before we can catch any errors. Message box. So as the project goes, we will have more this kind of functions. So for now, I'm just create one to not to confuse you guys. So for my main form, in general, you can just double click on the change passwords, and then I have created a change password form. You just right click, add form, and window forms, and then you can just name it to any name you want. For me, I will change password. So you double click it. I add 3 labels and 3 text box and a button. So I have given them a name also: text old, text new, text con. This is confirmation, new password, and old password. So you can just click on the save button. This is a validation of 3 text box. If text box text equal nothing, either one nothing, so fill up all the fields. And if text new and the confirmation password is not the same, we're going to have an error also. And the exit sub is when the code run and hit this exit sub, it will end the whole sub. It will not continue. So before that, how do we know that the old password is correct? So we're going to draw from the database. So we're going to do this, import window application dot my connection. This will import this class. For yours, wherever you name it, you will key in yours and then access to my class. So now I can access to this class, ConnectDB and CMD. So I'm going to ConnectDB first. ConnectDB, that's simple. Why can't? Okay, dim connection constring string equal so copy paste, because this is a shared method, cannot be accessed, so the error should go away. Object reference, this is not public. Why there's error? Nope, no errors. This is very weird. Okay, dim my connection. We're going to delete this import. Dim my connection as new SQ. As new my connection. So we're going to dim this class as new class, and then my connection dot connect db. Okay, so that's it. We can connect to database and then dim cmd as new SQL client dot command equal my connection dot cmds. So you see the error because we require a SQL string. So we're going to retrieve this. So it will be the SQL string select from employee not employee, admin, it's an administrator, so it will be admin table where admin ID admin table where admin ID equal tag equal add ID not going to have this here because we're going to execute this in the Yeah, so make sure you change this as this, don't forget. Return false. So cmd dot execute reader dot add with value id id. What is the value? The value will be from the text old password dot text cmd dot execute reader execute Scala will do. SQL client dot. So if dr dot read, that means if data reader found records and we're going to do nothing else. Old password run. Oops, so we need a user to confirm his ID also. It's so much. Admin ID. So you're going to add another one here. If text dot text equal. So where is our place? Select all for admin where ID equal ID equal text box 1, which is our admin ID. So admin ID admin password admin password equal add pass equal text old password dot text. So reader read password. If password not equal to else, if text password new and confirmation password match, so you're going to insert this. You're going to insert a new record into the database. So here we will close the dr.close. Exit start. dr.close. So here we open up the connection already, so we don't have to open again. So we can use this again. cmd equal my connection dot cmd as. So the SQL query will be update admin where admin ID equals just copy, paste. So same thing, copy, paste. So di is to retrieve record. So this time we just cmd.execute non-query. Execute non-query. This will inject the value to database. So update admin set admin password. Set admin password. Go add pass. So this is a whole query. We're going to update the database table only, the admin password column. So update admin set admin password equal password where ID equal ID. ID will be this and the password will be new text, new.text. So I hope you understand what are these code validation, connect database, reader retrieve record to confirm that the old password are correct. Text box 1 will be the ID, admin ID, text ID. So text ID and text new. This is old password, this is new password, don't miss out. So finally we're going to close a connection con my connection.conf close. So we're going to test this. No error, one error. Where is the error? Return nothing. Okay, so let's start. So for my admin, user ID is 1001 and password is 123. So we're going to change shit. We're going to double click this and we're going to show this form, change password. Change pass dot show. Okay, so admin ID is 1001. Old password you're going to post password is 123. New password you're going to change to 54321. 54321 and click save. Okay, I think you should save. We have to add a message box to alert the user that the data is safe. So let's restart. 1001 54321 login. Yeah, log on. Okay, so the code works. So we're going to add a message box to tell the user the records are updated. Save. So update your connection table, my connection class as my. So just give you some time to copy and then change pass form. It's just one button only, so you can just view through the codes. Yeah, and not to forget the delete buttons. Yeah, change the method. So that's it for today. email me or comment me if you have any problems. Bye bye.